What's up, outdoor warriors and survival fanatics? If you're here, you know the drill. Having the right gear isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. And in 2025, the tech and innovation in outdoor essentials are next level. I've sifted through countless gadgets, tested the most talked about essentials, and boiled it down to the top 10 survival and outdoor gear items you absolutely need to have in your kit this year. We're talking game changers for camping, hiking, and those critical emergency situations where your life could literally depend on it. And we're not waiting. We're diving straight into my number one, the ultimate all-in-one survival tool. Let's get into it. Number 1. Dibum's One-Pack Camping String Light W/Lamp. Alright, let's kick things off with a versatile lighting powerhouse. The Dibum's Camping String Light with Lamp. This isn't just any camp light. It's a 2-in-1 multitasker that combines a powerful lantern with a 32.8-foot string of fairy lights, all controlled by separate switches for ultimate flexibility. The lantern packs 36 high-efficiency 2835 LED chips, delivering 360-degree illumination that's perfect for lighting up your entire campsite. You've got 2 brightness modes. High at 200 lumens for about 2 hours of runtime when you need to spot that midnight snack, or medium at 160 lumens for 3 hours to conserve battery during a long night. Plus, there's a red flashing mode that's essential for signaling in emergencies, like if you're lost or need to warn others. Now, the string lights? They're a game changer with 100 warm white LED chips at 2700K, pumping out 100 lumens in 3 modes. Constant for steady glow up to 8 hours, blinking for that fun party vibe 21 hours, or breathing for a subtle, relaxing pulse 15.5 hours. Imagine draping these around your tent or trees to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere after a tough hike. It's like bringing a bit of home to the wilderness. Number 2. Emergency Food Rations 3600 Calorie Bar. Moving on to fuel for your body in dire situations. The 3600 Calorie Emergency Food Ration Bar. This compact powerhouse is designed for when Mother Nature throws a curveball, packing 9 pre-measured 400-calorie rations into one bar, enough to sustain a single person for up to 3 days without feeling like you're starving. The flavor? A pleasant natural lemon vanilla pound cake that's surprisingly tasty, non-thirst provoking so it won't leave you parched, and enriched with vitamins and minerals that exceed RDA requirements. It's kosher, halal, cholesterol-free, and skips tropical oils for a clean, healthy boost. What makes it survival ready? It's USCG approved with a whopping 5-year shelf life, sealed in durable, airtight mylar packaging that preserves it through extreme conditions, from freezing -22 degrees Fahrenheit winters to scorching 149 degrees Fahrenheit summers. Whether you're prepping for floods, hurricanes, or just a long backcountry trek, this bar withstands it all without spoiling. Number 3. AI Hand Warmers Rechargeable 2-Pack. Now, for those bone-chilling hikes or unexpected cold snaps, check out the AI Hand Warmers Rechargeable 2-Pack. These aren't your grandma's chemical packs. These are smart, futuristic warmers that snap together magnetically for 360-degree hand warmth, or split apart so each hand gets its own or share with a friend. The pocket-sized design fits easily in gloves or pockets, making them ideal for hunting, golfing, skiing, or even daily commutes. The magic is in the integrated AI temperature sensor chip, which intelligently controls 3 heat levels up to a toasty 130 degrees Fahrenheit. It constantly analyzes the temp between the warmer and your skin for precise, safe heating. No overheating risks here. Battery life? Impressive 8.5 to 20 hours on a single charge via the included Type-C cable, with 3 indicator lights showing power and status. Number 4. Emergency Mylar Thermal Blankets. Space Blanket Survival Kit. Essential for any emergency kit. The Emergency Mylar Thermal Blankets, often called space blankets. These highly reflective wonders trap up to 90% of your body heat, providing critical warmth in cold or hypothermic situations. Think stranded in a blizzard or post-accident shock. Made from durable, heavyweight polyester mylar, they're windproof, waterproof, and versatile for camping, hiking, fishing, or even as a signaling device with their shiny surface. Sized at 84 x 55 inches to fit most adults' unisex design, they're machine washable for reuse, unlike flimsy disposables. Lightweight and foldable, they pack down to pocket size for easy storage in backpacks, bug-out bags, or car trunks. Perfect portability without bulk. Users highlight their life-saving potential. One adventurer called it a great companion for journeys, praising how it kept them warm during an unexpected overnight. It's durable enough for multiple uses, though some note it's not as thick as wool blankets. Treat it as an emergency layer. Tip: layer over clothes or inside a sleeping bag for max insulation. At this value, grab a pack and never freeze again. Number 5. PRED4X Emergency Poncho and Mylar Blanket Liner. Combining rain protection with thermal smarts, the PRED4X Emergency Poncho with Mylar Blanket Liner is a hybrid hero. Waterproof and wind-resistant outer layer keeps you dry in storms, while the NASA-engineered reflective Mylar lining traps 90% body heat to prevent hypothermia. Twice as thick as standard blankets, it resists tears from branches or rough terrain, built for rugged hikes or survival scenarios. The oversized design fits over backpacks for hands-free gear protection, with a generous hood for full head coverage and roomy cut for mobility. At just ounces, it folds compactly into individual pouches for your car, backpack, or go bag, reusable and ready for anything. One user shared how it saved them during a sudden downpour on a trail, keeping both them and their pack dry while retaining warmth. It's praised for durability, though some wish for more colors. Tip: use as a ground tarp or signal mirror in emergencies. This poncho isn't just gear, it's peace of mind in unpredictable weather. Number 6. Connectile Men's Trooper Trapper Hat. For head-to-toe warmth, the Connectile Trooper Trapper Hat is your winter armor. With a polyester shell and ultra-soft plush faux fur lining on ear flaps, neck, and forehead, it blocks cold like a boss, thick enough for freezing temps without bulk. One size fits most thanks to the adjustable chin strap for a custom fit. The detachable windproof face mask is a standout. Wear it with the hat for full coverage or alone for lighter days, adding insane versatility. Ideal for skiing, snowboarding, hunting, or hiking, it's soft, non-shedding, and comfy for hours. Users love it. One with a larger head, 24 inches, said it fits perfectly without tightness, preventing headaches on long outings. Mixed on sizing, some find it roomy, so measure up. Tip: pair with goggles for ultimate storm protection. If you're braving the cold, this hat will keep you cozy and stylish. Number 7. Alvada Merino Wool Hiking Socks. Don't overlook your feet. Enter the Alvada Merino Wool Hiking Socks for all-weather comfort. Blended with nylon for an itch-free feel, these crew height socks wick moisture and provide thermal warmth, keeping feet dry and toasty in winter slush or summer sweat. The shaped cushioning in the footbed absorbs impact, reducing fatigue and pain on long hauls. Perfect for rugged terrain. They're built tough yet soft, ideal for men and women, and machine washable on cold for easy care, no shrinking or fading. Users swear by them for cold hikes, noting how they block moisture and cold without bulk. One said they felt like walking on clouds after miles. Tip: wear with breathable boots to maximize wicking. These aren't just socks, they're your feet's best friend for any adventure. Number 8. Rivmount Winter Waterproof Ski Snow Warm Gloves. Protect your hands with the Rivmount Winter Waterproof Ski Gloves. Stylish, functional, and upgrade warm. Waterproof fabric outer with dense fleece lining and adjustable cuffs seal out wind and wet, while keeping dexterity for tasks. All finger touchscreen sensitivity means no removing them for calls or apps. Huge for cold weather tech use. Anti-slip PU palm boost grip on tools or wheels, with reflective patterns for night visibility. Lightweight and not bulky, they're great for skiing, cycling, or chores. Portable buckle keeps them paired, and users call them comfy and flexible for daily wear. Tip: adjust cuffs tight for max warmth. A must for anyone facing the elements. Number 9. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Hydration hero. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. This straw removes 99% of bacteria, parasites, and microplastics down to 0.2 microns, turning sketchy streams into safe drinks. Filters 4,000 liters, 1,000 gallons without batteries or pumping. Just sip. BPA-free and lightweight at 2 ounces, it's a bug-out bag staple. Plus, each purchase gives a child safe water for a school year. Users love its ease. One hiker said it's intuitive and a must-have, sucking hard but effectively filtering. Tip: back flush after use for longevity. Worth its weight in gold for emergencies or trails. Number 10. Emergency Sleeping Bags 2-pack. Wrap up with the Emergency Sleeping Bags 2-pack. NASA Mylar tech retains 90% body heat, waterproof and windproof for all seasons. Extra large 84x 36 inches with upgraded 21-inch head cover for full insulation. Reusable, 2.8 ounces each with drawstring bags and high visibility strip. Deflects sun heat too. Users stash them everywhere. One praised whole body warmth in emergencies. Tip, layer inside a tent for extra coziness. Affordable lifesavers, get them now. That's our deep dive into the top 10 survival gear for 2025. Gear that'll keep you safe, warm, and ready for anything. Which piece are you adding to your kit first? Drop your thoughts, stories, or questions in the comments. I reply to all. Links in the description for Amazon deals. If you found this helpful, like, share with a fellow adventurer, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews. Thanks for watching, stay prepared, stay wild, and I'll see you on the next trail.